Yo, what's up guys? This is Coleman. Here we are in another episode. I actually broke this right before our move. That was not fun to deal with. I had to get it towed up here while I didn't have a car for pretty much a week. So let's see what happened here. What was happening was I replaced the wheel bearing. When we went to put the rear control arm in right here, the hole stripped out. Then we re-threaded it. It still didn't work. The bolt really took out a big chunk of that hole. So then we tried to drill it out and use a Healy coil. And then as you can see in the inside here, the Healy coil is stuck on the inside. The back side got just a little bit too gaped open and it wouldn't work. It wouldn't allow a bolt to go back in, so we had to get a new one. So basically today, I am going to take it all off and fix it. There's a brand new wheel bearing in there. It's gonna get pretty much thrown away because I can't use it, so we'll start tearing into that next. So it's just gonna be a quick time lapse here of how to get this whole entire knuckle assembly off. We got the eBay part in today. All the threads are good. Going to put all the new parts on. So even though this is still, it's probably good, I'm still gonna pull this wheel bearing out and swap it to make sure it's good. So yeah, I'll show you the process on how I get this done. And of course I do things like this without the camera rolling. So I have not used the tool yet, just a hot hub, very hot to the touch, and an ice cold bearing. I was able to slide it in. Now that the metal's expanded, you can't pull it back out. So I just need to press it the rest of the way in. Time to put the axle in the hole. New axle hole.